Hello everyone, welcome to my video. I am going to be doing an unboxing video, and I'm not gonna lie, I kind of already unboxed it, only to like connect it and stuff and try to figure that stuff out with my MUNBYN. Okay, but this is what I bought. I bought a thermal printer. It's an inkless, heat-driven printer that you can use for your shipping labels. So with the printer itself, I bought 3 components, and yeah, this was actually gifted to me, so thank you so much. They said that it worked really good for them, and that got me hooked. I started doing a ton of research online. That's the thing with me, I love doing research before I make a purchase on anything, because I want to make sure if it's for like the next step that it's something that I can use for a very long time. The cost was about like $80, which is pretty affordable for a thermal printer, actually. Really affordable. Right now I'm just taking out these I don't know what they're called, wire stuff. But yeah, it's pretty affordable, and so far it has really good reviews. Yeah, I just hope that it lasts me a long time. For my nails, I have been cooking so much for my family. Let me just put this back in the box. Yeah, I've been cooking for my family, and recently I made baked mac and cheese. I made this apple crumble thing, and it was so good, but I'm not feeling too hot right now, so I wasn't able to eat yesterday or today at all, which is horrible. But yeah, I don't know why I'm struggling so much on this. But yeah, back to the printer. It seems pretty good so far from the reviews and the videos that I've been watching regarding it. So I really do have high hopes for it. And not only do they give us the wires and stuff, they also give us a user manual, which is pretty neat. I always love it when they give us user manuals. And they gave us these cute little stuff, like different stickers that we can use. I am definitely going to buy more stickers if this printer lives up to my standards. Let me go close the door real quick. Please ignore the noise outside. But yeah, I'm going to definitely use those stickers, because I'm thinking I don't know what this is for. I want something that is very, like, therapeutic, you know? Like, that's what I really want my, you know, business to be about. Oh, they give us a little, look at that. Oh, how nice. Okay, they give us a little thing. I'm pretty sure this is like a, is that a button? No, it's not a button. But it's like a thing we can plug in. Probably to store some stuff. Let me see if I can plug this in anywhere. Yeah, they give us that little plug in. It's pretty neat. I don't know how we can do this though. Maybe it's for like another type of computer. If you don't have Apple, you could use this maybe. I'm assuming, but not sure. Let me go put it back in here. Let me go open this. Or let me open the user manual first. So immediately in the user manual, they say quick printer connection. So they say that we need the boxy thing. I'm assuming that boxy thing, which is number 2, it's this. So yeah, we need that. And then we need to connect the boxy thing to the printer. I'm assuming here. Connect it like that. And then we have to get the other wire. And then I'm assuming, since this is the outlet and this thing is also the outlet, I'm assuming we have to connect this to this. Yep. Okay. Mind you, I already did this, but I'm just doing this again so you guys can see like the whole process and everything. But yeah, do that, and then to this. So I'm pretty sure this is how the printer gets its power, okay? And that's very important, because no power, no working, right? This looks really confusing, but I'm just assuming this thing goes here. Oh, okay, I see. So if you have a router, I guess you're supposed to connect it to the router, maybe like your Wi-Fi router. But yeah, the printer is suitable for Bluetooth of mobile, not compatible of mobile phones and tablets, not compatible with Bluetooth of computers, and the printer cannot be connected directly to Bluetooth of the printer and needs to be connected using the MUNBYN print app. Okay, so you need to download the app real quick, and I'll be right back. All right, so the app is loading. All right, it loaded in, and we click open. So this is how it looks like. All right, now we have to allow the Bluetooth. So let me just put this to the side. All right, I'm back. So we just need to plug this thing in. All right, now it's plugged into the outlet. As you can see, this thing showed up green before it wasn't. So now that that's plugged in, it says we should allow. Click allow, of course. And then, okay, I don't know which one mine is. It says 130B. So, all right, so to find which of these printers you're supposed to be, I guess you're supposed to look at the back, and this says 130B, and this also says 130B. And it does look like it, just a different color, because this comes in different colors. I picked the purple, but honestly, I'm wishing I picked the white now, because you'll figure out why I wish I picked the white. But I like purple too, so it's fine. So yeah, I'm gonna click P, 130B. Click OK. And then click Create. Click the plus start. It says click new label to create printer. Add text. Add everything. Click print. Set the printer density and quality. And click print. Okay. It gave us a little walkthrough right there. So we gotta click this. Then we gotta. I guess we click print. Okay. So they said this is a sample print for factory testing. So I guess the factory did that print for us. I don't know how to remove that thing, actually. How do you even open this? Okay, so the switch. I'm pretty sure you... Oh, so you do the switch down that way to open it. And they have it on the other side too, so don't break it. Always be gentle with stuff. Never pull too harshly with these sort of things. Always use the lightest force as possible. Oh wow, look in the inside. It kind of looks pretty cool. So it's like, wow. Honestly, I don't know what I'm gonna say with that. But yeah, I'm gonna try to print this as a test so we can just look at the process. So this is my roll. So let's go open that up. I need some scissors. All right, it's open. Whoa. Okay, I didn't want to do too much rolls because I'm just getting started on this online thing. Things just got super hectic, but now I'm choosing to do things I really want to do, you know? We only live this life once, you get what I'm saying? So, yeah. So that's on the side right now. I'm just gonna turn off my iPad and then I'm gonna set this up. And yeah, I feel more at peace. And I never really known it before, but peace is success. Pretty a radical way of thinking. Or I have to be radical, my sanity, then not, you know. Remember, be gentle, be gentle. If it's not going in, gently try it the other way. Oh, look at that. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Wow, it's pretty cool, pretty cool. All right, so then you have to put this here. like this, and then mid-air you put it in through. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm such a handy dandy person. So as you can see, it like, it's stabilized, you know? So then I'm assuming you have to like get your printer, and then you put this on top, okay? Why is this thing dragging? I don't know if I put this thing in right. Maybe you have to put it in here. Or do we put it from the other end? So, roll in here, not here. Okay. So, let's get the roll. Put it in. Like so. Okay. It's in. Alright, so now I'm just gonna clip it in place from the sides. Alright, it's in place. So, thing is looking good. I think I'm gonna change this because I want it to be a little bit more detailed. Let's go look at the templates, okay? Oh, they have specific dimensions. This is a 4x6. So let's just do this. I want something that looks like an actual, like, you know. All right, this kind of looks like a shipping label, this, right? Because I want to see how sharp the lines would be. So let's use this. All right. It's not working, so definitely doing something wrong. So let's see settings. It's not working there, so I'll be back. Okay, I figured out my issue. So wait, no, that's for a laptop. Okay. Yeah, I'm kind of confused. I don't know if I'm supposed to click this at all. Well, it's gonna keep searching, so. Great. Let's see. Bluetooth is on. Everything is on. All right, I'll be back. Right here. So you just have to flip that. Oh! Oh my goodness. It was off this whole time. All right, now we're in business. Okay. Now, let's click search again. Woohoo! It's here. So make sure you turn it on if you're having connection issues, because yeah, that I don't really need to say much. That was just a little bit of a slow moment right there. Anyways, connecting. Yeah, it's connected. So that's my stuff. And now I create. Continue with last edit. So I just made this random edit. I want you guys to see like the lines and stuff and see how precise it is, you know. I'm gonna do a QR code too, so we can just see how blurry it might come out, or you know. Let's also try like a you know what, I think this is going. Okay, let's just print. Oh my goodness. It's perfect. It's perfect. Oh my goodness, it's actually really good. Look at how precise that was. Like, it was really precise. I'm gonna try the QR code and I'm gonna see if it actually scans. I'll let you know. So if this was a real QR code, it probably would detect it. Yeah, that looks pretty neat. Oh my goodness, we did it, MUNBYN. You have my vote, okay? Look at how precise that is. It doesn't lie in its fruits, okay? This is really nice. I am beyond, like, happy with how this came out. And I'm just really excited now. Oh my goodness, I can't believe this. I can't believe this. It's perfect. And the really nice thing about this is it doesn't use ink. So it's very, I don't know, I just feel like if it doesn't use ink, it should be better for the environment. There's a lot of toxins in the environment, so to just use sweet instead of ink definitely sounds really good to me. And it's really dark, it's not blurry. No, let me just put some water on it. Let's see if it wipes away. Because you know when you're doing shipping and all that stuff, water might get on it or something, and that's annoying. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna put some water in it. Let's go see how it reacts. All right, move all the technology away. Let's go put some water on this. Okay, my iPad is right there. Move that too. Let's go put some water on this. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna put a lot of water. Let me go smudge it in. As you can see, it's not rubbing off. All right, this surpasses ink all the way. I am going crazy on it. I am scratching it. It is still there. Oh, look, there's one dot that came out. But overall, it looks pretty good. Like, compared to like, what's it called? Compared to ink, I feel like this is really good. Like, it's not gonna smudge off. Yeah, I'm really going crazy on this. Yep, it's good. Hope you enjoyed this video. Gotta clean up this mess now. Yeah, like and subscribe if you want to see more of this content. I am so happy because this printer is not only going to be used for my soaps and oils, it's also going to be used for various other stuff I need to get shipped out.